Hi. A course creator who was selling online business programs came to me with a content problem. And they were posting on YouTube consistently, but their videos weren't getting traction. So the problem was that they were guessing what to do, what to create, but no real data was behind their content decisions. So before every video, their team was manually browsing YouTube, looking at competitor channels, and trying to identify patterns in what was performing well. But this took hours, and it was subjective, and most of the insights got lost in someone's notes. So they needed a system that could analyze what was actually working in their niche and use that to inform their content strategy every week. So this is the system, and this is a very simple system, but it has been really useful. And the system runs on NAN. It uses two AI models. Gemini handles the analysis and generation work. So uh, the team fills in three fields: their niche, their product, and their base keywords they want to research. All this in Google Sheet, and that's the only manual input. Everything else is automated. So the search phase pulls from two sources in parallel. SERP API searches YouTube for videos matching those keywords and returns rich metadata like titles, channel info, view counts, engagement data at the same time. And the YouTube Data API pulls the top performing videos in the niche with full statistics. Both results get merged and normalized into a consistent data structure. And then the pattern analysis runs. So a code node processes all the video data, cleaning duplicates and calculating engagement rates and flagging what's overperforming relative to channel size. And that process data goes to Gemini with a specific prompt, uh, which is to find content gaps in the niche and identify title and hook patterns that are driving views and surface five content opportunities that this specific creator is positioned to own. So the content generation step takes two opportunities and turn them into actual assets. So Gemini generates a full script with a script outline and suggests the titles and YouTube description with CEO structure and recommended tags for each opportunity. So everything gets formatted into a structure report and sent directly to Slack. So the content team has a full brief ready at the start of every week. So here we can see how I launched my first digital product and made 10K in 30 days. So here's the hook and the potential identified by the AI is high. So yeah, the team went from spending 4 to 6 hours on manual research to having a complete content brief delivered automatically. So every Monday morning, uh, and this was triggered by a scheduled run. So more importantly, the content decision became data driven instead of guessing what might work, but they were acting on patterns identified from hundreds of videos in this exact niche. So So yeah, if you're creating content without a systematic research process, you're leaving a lot of reach on the table. And this kind of system works for YouTube, but the same architecture applies to any platform where you need to understand what resonating before you create. So my Upwork profile link is in the description if you want to talk about your specific case. Thank you.